Previously, we have learned how to create multi-page PDFs in Photoshop. There is a link in the description for that tutorial. In this video, let's learn how to create multi-page PDF from image files without any software application. So let's get started.
Before we create a PDF, we need to organize all the images in a folder in such a way that they will be on a right sequence. Here I am renaming them in a number, so it would be easy to sort. So I'm renaming the cover as page number 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. In this way we can arrange all the image file in the right order. After arranging all the images in the right order, let's select all the images, right click and click on print. And now here we have to select the printer. We have changed the printer to Microsoft Print to PDF, and let's adjust paper size. Let's make it A4, as the design is in A4, and A4 is also the standard size for the PDFs. And let's click on the print. Now Microsoft's PDF printer will print your image file into a PDF. Let's give it a file name. Here I have kept it as a PDF. Let's save it, and it will start printing your images into a PDF. Let's check out a PDF file that is just created. Okay, the PDF is created on a right sequence, but here is one problem: the orientation. It was supposed to be on the portrait, but it has been on landscape. So let's fix this now. So let's again select all the image files, right click and click on print. On the right hand bottom side of the dialog box, you can see options, where you can find the printer options, and let's go to the printer properties. From there, let's change the orientation from landscape to the portrait, and now the orientation has been fixed. Now let's print the file again. So we need to give the file name again. Let's keep it as a multi-PDF. Okay. So it will start to print your all images into a PDF. Now this simple trick is really helpful if you want to create PDF from all the image documents. So your PDF is ready now. Let's check it out. This is how you can create a PDF without any software. Thank you.